Welcome to my channel. No matter how advanced science becomes, there are still places on Earth that refuse to give up their secrets. These locations have been studied with satellites, supercomputers, and decades of field research, yet scientists still don't fully understand how they work or even why they exist. Today's video is a deep dive into 8 places scientists still don't fully understand, based on the latest research and real scientific investigations. Along the way, I'll credit the researchers and institutions behind these discoveries and explain what makes each place such a mystery. Settle in, because some of these locations challenge everything we think we know about geology, physics, biology, and even time itself. 1. The Mariana Trench, Earth's deepest unknown. The Mariana Trench is the deepest place on Earth, plunging nearly 11 kilometers beneath the Pacific Ocean. We know it exists, but we barely understand what happens down there. In 2012, filmmaker and explorer James Cameron completed the first solo dive to Challenger Deep. Later missions by NOAA and research vessels like the RV Falkor revealed something shocking. Life thriving under pressures once thought impossible. Scientists such as Dr. Douglas Bartlett, a microbiologist at the Scripps Institution of Oceanography, discovered extremophile microbes that survive crushing pressure and near-freezing temperatures. Even more puzzling, some organisms show biological adaptations science can't yet explain. Despite decades of exploration, over 80% of the trench remains unmapped, making it one of Earth's least understood ecosystems. 2. Dark matter void, the cosmic mystery around us. Most of the universe isn't made of matter we can see. Astronomer Fritz Zwicky, in the 1930s, first proposed the existence of dark matter when he observed galaxies behaving in ways gravity alone couldn't explain. Modern scientists, including teams at CERN and NASA, confirm that dark matter makes up about 85% of all matter in the universe. Yet here's the mystery: we've never directly observed it. Vast regions of space known as cosmic voids appear almost empty, but gravitational effects suggest invisible mass. Even with instruments like the Hubble Space Telescope and the Large Hadron Collider, dark matter remains theoretical. We know it's there, we just don't know what it is. 3. The Bermuda Triangle, myth or science gap. The Bermuda Triangle earned a reputation for disappearing ships and planes, but modern science says the truth is more complex. Researchers from the US Coast Guard and NOAA have found no statistical evidence of higher accident rates here. However, scientists like Dr. Joseph Monaghan, a mathematician at Monash University, proposed something unusual: rogue waves. Using computer simulations, his team showed that underwater topography could create massive, sudden waves capable of sinking large vessels without warning. Add unpredictable weather patterns, methane gas releases, and navigation errors, and the triangle remains controversial, not because of superstition, but because we still can't fully model the conditions that cause these incidents. 4. Antarctica's subglacial lakes, life under ice. Beneath Antarctica's ice sheet lies Lake Vostok, sealed off from the surface for over 15 million years. Russian scientists first confirmed its existence in the 1990s, and later research by Dr. John Priscu from Montana State University revealed microbial life surviving without sunlight or oxygen. How do these organisms generate energy? That's the mystery. Scientists believe chemical reactions between rock and water may sustain life, offering clues about potential life on icy moons like Europa. Despite decades of study, these lakes remain isolated worlds we've barely touched. 5. The Great Attractor. Something is pulling us. Our galaxy, and thousands of others, is moving towards something massive. This region, called the Great Attractor, was identified in the 1970s by astronomer Alan Dressler. It lies behind the Milky Way's dust cloud, making direct observation nearly impossible. Galaxies are accelerating toward it at millions of kilometers per hour, but scientists can't fully determine its structure. Is it a supercluster? A massive concentration of dark matter? Something else entirely? Even today, astronomers can measure its pull, but not its true nature. 6. The Zone of Silence, Mexico's radio dead zone. In northern Mexico lies the Zona del Silencio, where radio signals and GPS systems frequently fail. Initial studies by Mexican scientists in the 1960s linked the phenomenon to unusual magnetic and mineral deposits, particularly magnetite. NASA conducted field studies after a test rocket veered off course and crashed in the area. While no supernatural explanations hold up, scientists still can't fully explain why electromagnetic interference is stronger here than in similar regions. It's a reminder that Earth's magnetic complexity still holds surprises. 7. Stonehenge. Engineering beyond its time. Stonehenge is over 5,000 years old, and we still don't know how it was built. Archaeologist Mike Parker Pearson and his team discovered that some stones were transported over 250 kilometers from Wales, without wheels, without metal tools. Recent studies suggest acoustic properties, solar alignment, and ritual use, but the logistics remain baffling. How did Neolithic societies coordinate such precision engineering? We have theories, but no definitive answers. 8. The WOW signal, a message that never returned. In 1977, astronomer Jerry Amon detected a powerful radio signal using Ohio State University's Big Ear telescope. It lasted 72 seconds. It matched the frequency hydrogen emits in space, and it never appeared again. Despite decades of SETI research and advanced telescopes scanning the same region, the signal has never been replicated. Was it a natural cosmic event, a rare astrophysical phenomenon, or something else? To this day, the WOW signal remains unexplained. These places remind us of a humbling truth. Science doesn't have all the answers yet. From the deepest ocean trenches to the farthest reaches of space, mystery is not a failure of knowledge. It's what drives discovery. If you enjoyed this breakdown of places scientists still don't fully understand, like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.